Hello and welcome to my channel, and in this channel I will be telling you about how to make basic websites using the program HTML. So what is HTML? HTML is just a basic programming language which you can use to make websites, and this is basically my second video. The first video was uploaded, but I wanted to start a new series, and let me just show you about how to go on with the brackets, which is just a installation which you have to do before starting that. So just click on this blue button and just this gets downloaded. Just don't click any of the files, just go to the .exe, brackets.exe, and if you click on that, this is what gets opened, and so this will just load. And let me just go to new. Yes, so this is what gets opened, and the first thing you have to do is just type !doctype HTML. Doctype must be in caps lock and HTML must be in small. So doctype HTML and close the tag. It's not a tag basically. So just save it in a .html file so that the program gets to know about that it is an HTML file and it works according to that. So this is doctype HTML, and the thing you have to do after doing this is that you have to give it a heading. So h1 gives you the biggest heading which you can get, and now as you can see, the second h1 with a slash has come on its own, and I have not typed it. So that is the advantage of brackets. So you can just type this is HTML, and now that was the heading. So I'll show it in the live preview about how it comes. So P, this is the paragraph tag which you can use to write paragraphs. So this is Chaitanya and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I have written a paragraph. So now I want to change the way how the text comes. I want to bold my name, I want to underline, and I want to emphasize. So to bold you have to use the tag strong. Just type strong, it will come twice. Just Ctrl X the second one and just paste it after the text which you want to bold. Now I'll show you in the live preview that it gets bold. So now I want to just emphasize or italicize the YouTube channel text, and then just paste. And now what you can do is that just type paragraph and just brackets is good. So I want to underline this, so what you can do is just type U before brackets without a space, U. You have to close it. So just Ctrl X and Ctrl V. So now I'll show you the live preview about how it comes. So let me just put it there. Okay, so now click on this live preview button. So as you can see, it's just a blank screen. That's because I haven't saved the program which I have done. So go to file and save. So now this is HTML and everything has worked accordingly. Now let me just zoom. So now as you can see, headings there, my name's bold, and YouTube channel got italicized, brackets is good, has become underlined. So this is what you can do with brackets. Now you want to apply dark themes and other themes, and you want to save your work, you don't want to lose your work, you can just go to this extension manager. So you have seen the live preview. Now before going to the themes, let me show you one thing. In this program there is no work of the body and the title tag. So just take body, Ctrl X and paste it there. Okay, just paste it there. Okay, so just take out this body again. It must be below the h1 or the title tag, anything you can use. So that's it. And now just paste it in the any of the lines. So that's it. And now that live preview, when I show you the live preview, there's no change because I haven't done anything. It's the same. So now I haven't saved it, but still if I save it and show it to you, it will come the same. So now you learned about the live preview. Now what is the other thing below live preview? That's the extension manager. What this extension manager does is that it gives you various applications which are inbuilt, which you can just install. And let me just go to themes. So let me just show you. Yes, so I've installed various themes there. So I have installed this theme. So let me install this one also. Okay, so it's now these are the things which I've installed. So you can just remove that, it's not nice. I tried it. So this auto save is just saves your work. You can just go to themes and just search anything. Okay, save. Now go to view if you want to change your theme. View, themes, and just change your theme. Okay, now as you can see, it's just got neon, it's blue and pink. Okay, so that's it for this video. In the next video I will tell you about how to insert images and how to insert background colors and hyperlinking everything. So meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, have a good day.